The third principle of Heartsea is rewilding. Rewilding to reconnect with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's creation. We're living in a disconnected world where ecosystems, biodiversity is completely disconnected. How can we learn to read the language of nature if ecosystems are disconnected? We need to rewild not just ecosystems, we need to rewild Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's creation of communities that we are responsible for as Muslims. We are supposed to be the Khalifa. And in order for us to get to that, we have to learn to rewild our minds, to reconnect with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's creation.